The man with the sexiest moves. The undoubtedly dashing. In this episode of Bollywood's most controversial, we're gonna talk about the Shandar Shahid Kapoor. Through all the ups and downs in his journey here in Tinseltown, I guess Shahid ने prove कर दिया that controversies can never pull him down. लेकिन ये controversies क्या थी जिनके बारे में आज भी हम बात करने पर मजबूर हो जाते हैं? Let's take a look. साशा की फिल्म चुप चुप के किस किस को याद है? Never mind. So as the buzz goes, फिल्म की शूटिंग के दौरान there were rumors that शाहिद अपने डायरेक्टर प्रियदर्शन के काम में काफी दखल देते थे, to an extent that he would tell him how to shoot a particular scene. This apparently didn't go down well with the director. But according to sources, Shahid was later quoted, "Priyanji is a veteran. How could I tell him how to shoot a film?" But yes, we didn't hit off during the making of that film. Jumping on to the next, Shahid के unprofessional होने के rumors. The industry at a point had the opinion that Shahid अपने directors के काम में काफी interfere करते थे. According to a leading tabloid source, Shahid took very long to complete Chand's Pe Dance. The budget shot up and Ken had to shell out a few crores to compensate the producers. Must have been quite a rough phase in Sasha's career. Next, the infamous MMS scandal. While Shahid was dating the hot bird Kareena, the couple did go through ups and downs, but probably the most controversial was their leaked MMS, where the couple was seen making out. The ex-couple at that time continued questioning the accuracy of the clip, but well, the damage was pretty much done. Shahid had a series of link-up rumors, be it Vidya Balan, Sonakshi Sinha, or his Badmaash company co-star Anushka Sharma. Miffed by the allegations, Shahid had tweeted, "Extremely distasteful story today. Some journalists need to really understand where to draw the line between imagination and reality. Sad, unfair, makes me angry. If nothing else, they need to respect the dignity of a girl." Whoa, seems like it's not a good idea to make Sasha angry. Back in 2011, there were rumors of Sasha dating Priyanka Chopra. But same year, to top it all, there was an IT raid conducted at Priyanka's apartment, and to the IT team's surprise, they were greeted by Shahid Kapoor in the actress's flat. What? A source was quoted, "Yes, Shahid was present at Priyanka's place when the IT raid happened. Both Shahid and Priyanka were quite shocked by the raid. Shahid could not leave immediately, so he remained there for some time." When Piggy Chops was asked about the same at an event, she had said, "Yes, Shahid was there at my apartment when it happened. He lives just 3 minutes away from my home, and it was but natural for me to give him a call when all that was happening. My mother was also supposed to be there, but she couldn't make it, so I gave him a call and he rushed to my apartment just as he was. And well, he was reportedly in shots." Controversies relating to Priyanka and Shahid did not end there. Apparently in 2014, which was after the duo broke up, Priyanka IFA rehearsals में late पहुंची थी and had taken some extra time. This, however, left ex-BF Sasha waiting for quite a while. A furious Shahid got way too angry. He reportedly took the mic and ended up abusing the organizers and Priyanka too. जिससे कि पहले बात और बिगड़ती, a clearly shocked Priyanka chose to quietly exit the stage. Well, up the Shahid Kapoor is taken thanks to the damsel from Delhi, Meera Rajput. But abhi bhi khabrein aati rehti hain of Shahid bumping into his ex Kareena and her hubby Saif at the gym, ya wifey Meera avoiding Kareena for much obvious reasons. देखते हैं आगे आगे होता है क्या? Found Shahid's list of controversies interesting? Then hit like on this video, tell us in your comments कि आप किस celeb की controversial story जानना चाहते हैं, and we'll get you all the buzz right here on Bollywood Now.